Hi. Good morning, my friends. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy. It's Monday. Don't tell them I told you that already. We just had a nice little weekend, right? Yesterday was Mother's Day. Did you guys do something nice for your mothers? I hope so. We also had a special secret surprise on Saturday, right? On Saturday, it snowed a little. Did you see any snow? It's crazy that that would happen in the springtime. Crazy world. Let's do our morning meeting. It's May 2020. Let's make our calendar. What month is it? Our month is May. What year is it? 2020. Oh no, it won't let me click. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day is today? Did you say Monday? That's right. Today is Monday. Let's touch Monday. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Today is the 11th day of May, and guess what? It's my mom's birthday. Do you know anyone with a birthday today? Maybe you do. Maybe you don't. Anyway, today is Monday, and it's the 11th day. So what number are we counting to today? That's right, 11. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stop. Stopped at 11. Good counting with me. In 2 weeks, we have Memorial Day. Next Monday is Victoria Day. I'm going to have to look into it and see what that is so we can celebrate at home. And we had Mother's Day yesterday. I hope you guys were nice to your mommies. We had a birthday cake for my mom yesterday because everyone could be together for Mother's Day. Anyway, let's look outside. What do you see? It looks like it's cloudy outside today. It also, I think, is a little chilly out. We're spring. We had snow. It's raining all the time. I can't wait for it to be sunny and hot. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day and a great start to the week. Bye, my friends.